Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about XRP Price Prediction and XRP News Today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell, I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. Is spring here? What weighted sentiments say about Bitcoin, BNB, XRP, Polkadot? As winter moves into spring, will the longer days and blooming flowers perhaps wield a positive influence on investor sentiment? Here's what the data had to say. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Early on 13 March, Sentiment released data to show what investor moods were saying about price expectations. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin, BTC, BNB, and XRP were all positive, but still lower than 0.1. Even so, Sentiment theorized that this was a signal that traders had bullish ambitions for the assets. However, by press time, Bitcoin's weighted sentiment had fallen back into negative territory and clocked in at -0.614. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin previously took a hard fall under zero when the asset's price dropped from $44,000, showing that market uncertainty wasn't about to end anytime soon. For now, it seems that Bitcoin has many more resistance levels to shatter before jaded investors respond with euphoria. Tameless and swift and proud, while BNB has been tracking Bitcoin's price performance, weighted sentiment for the asset was above 1.0. However, a look into the past shows that BNB has a trend of short euphoric spikes, followed by longer periods of negative weighted sentiment. As far as XRP is concerned, the asset saw a rally of over 15%, possibly thanks to the judge in the SEC v Ripple Labs lawsuit, denying the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense. In fact, weighted sentiment for XRP has been in the positive territory since about 7 March, and was 1.337 at press time. This, despite XRP's price again climbing to a level seen in late February. However, since XRP investors' euphoria has been followed by dramatic price crashes, investors will need to look at both on-chain activity and court updates. Meanwhile, as Sentiment noted, Polkadot DOT saw a dip from positive to negative territory, despite a rise in price, and the onboarding of some new paired chains. However, weighted sentiment for DOT has been largely negative since mid-December. Trumpet of a prophecy. Many eyes are on Terra Luna, a rising star asset now among the top 10 cryptos. However, euphoric highs of close to 4 were followed by a fall in price, which led to a nearly vertical fall in sentiment. That said, investors don't seem to be ready to give up, as weighted sentiment was 0.104 for the asset on 12 March. To keep weighted sentiment above zero, Luna will have to prove that its towering rallies can be consistent. Second, use how Bitcoin is proving itself a strong hedge against inflation in 2022. Bitcoin has witnessed strong year-to-date returns, outshining traditional hedges by rallying over 130% compared to gold's meager 4%. Over time, Bitcoin also evolved as a strong contender for an inflation hedge, irrespective of the fact that the currency was often susceptible to market jitters and gyrations. Nevertheless, the largest cryptocurrency continues to build a strong portfolio. You lose, I win. Bitcoin's inflation rate has gone down significantly since 2011, as shown in Glassnode's graph below. It declined to an impressive 1.7% and stood strong against the United States dollar. At the time writing, the annual inflation rate in the United States hiked from 3.2% in 2011 to 4.7% in 2021. Ergo, Bitcoin positioned itself as a strong hedge against inflation. As per the graph, the inflation rate of Bitcoin in January was 1.8%, thereby showing that the flagship digital asset decreased by 0.1% in a little over a month. A senior financial reporter at Welt, Holger Scheepes, shared some light on the counterpart in a 10 March tweet. The inflation rate of the US dollar continues to soar, hitting 7.9% in February 2022. The recorded stat was the highest rate in 40 years or since 1981 or even before the oil spike, as tweeted by the reporter. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.